Alrighty, 1998 Ford Ranger, otherwise known as the Learning Vehicle. Part 2 of the welding exhaust repair on this intermediate pipe. Patches in place, clamps are in place, titanium welder easy flex 125 is on a B setting at 2.5. And here I go. I'm going to start from the top and work down. Pretty dark where I'm at. I wish I had better light. It's not going to be pretty, I'll tell you that right now. But I'm going to do multiple passes. Great, no burn through, which is good. All right. I'm gonna have to deslag this in a moment with my deslagging brush, otherwise known as a steel wire brush. So this pipe I pretty much know is zinc coated. I probably, maybe for anti-rust corrosion possibly. So, the pleasure of doing my own repairs is, I'm pretty sure if I took this to an exhaust repair shop, they would just obviously replace the pipe, right? And for the tune of how much the pipe is, and the labor, I don't know. So for me, it was more cost effective just doing it myself. 20 minutes at this, 10 minutes right here. Doing a little bit of this action. I'm not building a rocket ship here, so pretty sure this is going to work. Getting the top is going to be interesting. The patch is bigger than the hole. You remember the rust hole. So I'm pretty sure it's pretty tight up top. I mean, even when I get to the top doing this line, and if I have to lower the truck off the lift. But we'll address that in a moment though. I'm just getting some of this deslagging off. Let me lift the hood and see how much. Alright, looking pretty good. Like I said, I'm just going to keep on going at it. So, let's say it was a 50 bucks an hour, plus the pipe was, I don't know, generous. 30 bucks for the pipe. That's 80 bucks, right? To do this job right now. And that's them. They'd probably bolt it in. They'd bolt it here, they'd bolt it up where at the catalytic converter. Well, I bought this welder here 2 years ago for, I think, the tune of $85 with the coupon from our own Harbor Freight. So I look at it, I'm already ahead. Just by me doing my own work. And yeah, this could be done on jack stands if necessary. Take a little bit while reaching over and under things, but it can still be done. Yeah. Whew. Got a jumping jack flash over here, man. Got to move around. Things like the spark. I'm trying not to weld my clamp. Alright, I'm going to remove the clamp, right? Hopefully this clamp will come off. Yeah, there she is. Clamp on the floor. Alright, I'm going to take my hammer, kind of hit the top a little bit, because I do see it's a little sticking up there. Oops, camera moved. There it is. And if you saw in the other video, yeah, I got a little bit of burn and pitting there. Who knows how long this is going to last. Okay. See if the camera is still in position. Yes, she is. All right. Let me clean this up. So if just